and I need to share it with you guys. It is so pretty. This is the Swinger bag. This is a re-edition from Coach. The original of this was released in 1987. They've been doing a lot of re-editions, which I am obsessed with. This is the third re-edition bag I have picked up in the last maybe year and a half, and I'm here for it. This is in the rainbow crystal monogram. So when these rainbow crystal monograms first like hit TikTok and hit the internet, I was very much wanting one. I actually wanted the Kiss Lock originally. I'll put a picture up here so you guys can see. But then it seemed like an impractical bag that I would want to see in person. I tend to like to buy my bags in person just because I like to like touch it. I like to open it up, like see the pockets, you know, try it on my arms, make sure it's gonna be comfortable. Does it look good against like my body's height and size and all of that stuff? And so I was kind of content that I would not get a Coach crystal bag. I live in the middle of nowhere, New Mexico, and there is not a Coach outlet or retail store within 5 to 6 hour drive from me. And so I was kind of like, you know, if I happen to run into a Coach store and there happens to just be one sitting there waiting for me, then that would be a sign and I would get it, right? But what are the chances of that? Like, not very high. So I went to Dillard's looking for shoes, and I happened to glance across the aisle to the purse section because they had some Louis Vuittons, like pre-loved Louis Vuittons. And then this sparkle caught my attention, and I was like, oh my gosh, the Coach crystal. It made me realize I had forgotten Dillard's sells Coach bags. So that realization has been very bad for my wallet because I have been going to Dillard's and trying on all of the Coach bags to my heart's content, and I have picked up quite a few in the last few months. But this one is so beautiful, you guys. This is again the Swinger, and I think this is so cute. It has this little like turnkey thing here which releases the zipper pull, and then you just open it up, and then the inside of this bag is smaller, but I think it's really like practical. So it has like all the card slots here so you can put in your cards. It has one main pocket, and then it comes with this little brass chain. So it's basically meant to be worn as a shoulder bag, like a little bit dressier, and it fits really nicely on the shoulder and like just tucks into your arm really nice. But I have a longer brass dinky chain from Coach, so I am planning to wear this either shoulder or crossbody, which I'm so excited about because I love a crossbody. No, they're not really in style right now, but I'm a crossbody girl. I want to be hands-free. I need to be hands-free. But then it comes with this really cute like heart hang tag that says Coach, and then you get another little Coach leather hang tag here, and then there's the thing here that says the Swinger limited re-edition. It tells you the original date that this bag was released, which is again 1987. So I'm obsessed with this bag, you guys. So I'll probably do another video once I wear it so that you guys can kind of see my bag of the day, and I'll put, you know, my little charms on it and all that stuff. But it's so cute. And then I have two other bags I want to share with you guys that I've picked up in the last few months, and I have two on the way. I'm going to Phoenix in April to see Bruno Mars, and then I'm going to Vegas in May to watch Morgan Wallen. And when I go out of state, it's like literally the best shopping. I'm in the shopping mecca as opposed to the shopping desert. And so I probably will want to pick up a few bags there as well and just do some like general shopping because the stores are so much better. So I need to settle down. But I do want to show you some of the other things I have picked up in case you all are purse girlies like I am. So let me know, do you guys have the Coach Swinger bag in any type of print or leather? And then do you also have anything from the Coach Rainbow Crystal collection? Because I think this is so beautiful, and I wish they would do this like in a pink, because I'm a pink person. I would love this in a full pink. I know they did the black crystal, which I did decide I didn't want. And I do have a few regrets, but if this comes out in a pink, I'm definitely gonna pick it up. Maybe not this bag exactly, but something from the collection. So this is so cute though, you guys. I'm like so excited about it. Like, look at this bag. So pretty.